Hello guys, is a Windows 11 app using the too much data, running online in background, downloading updates, showing ads, or connecting to the internet without permission? In this video tutorial, I will show you how to block internet access for any specific app using Windows Firewall. Okay, so let me start with the video. So here, come to the window and search for firewall. Just open that firewall. Okay, so here we need to create rules. Okay, so go to the advanced settings and select that outbound rules. Okay, and go to the new rules. Here select only programs, click on next. Here you need to copy the that specific program or app path. Okay, so how you can select, how where you can find that program path, I will show you. Come to your search bar and search for that app. So I just search that Brave browser. Right click on it, go to the open file locations. Here you need to select that app and just copy the path. Okay, now come to the firewall and just paste that copied path. Okay, so we need to delete that bracket. Okay, keep the path only, just click on next, select block connection. Next. Okay, you can select all. Next, you need to give the name of these rules and description and click finish. After you finish, you can see the that rule here. Okay, once you click on finish, that particular app or browser not able to access the internet. Now just go to the finish. Okay, I just go back because I don't want to create that. Okay, but when you in future, if you want to enable it again, then come here again, come to the outbound rules and find that rules which you have given the name and just delete it. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.